Welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl and another episode of HGG Home. Today I'm sharing with you a DIY chalkboard project. I came up with the look for the chalkboard, but Aaron built it, so he's going to share with you the tutorial. Take it away, Aaron.
For this project, we used a 4x4 foot piece of 1/4 inch plywood, two 6-foot long 1x3 boards, and some paint. We used Ecos Paint's chalkboard paint. We had them color match a Sherwin-Williams color called Kendall Green. We chose this color from an internet recommendation as a good match to a classic chalkboard, and it worked out perfectly. We also used 2 different craft stains from Ecos Paints for the frame. First step was to cut 1 foot off the plywood. We wanted a rectangular shape, and a 4x3 fit our space just right. Next, I cut a notch from the edge of the 1x3s and then cut them to the correct length with 45-degree angles at the ends. Finally, I added a touch of wood glue, clamped in place, and screwed the frame together. After the glue dried, I sanded and cleaned the frame to prepare for staining. The stain process we did was 2 steps. First, we did a light coat of pickling white. Let that dry and then topped with a thin coat of special walnut craft stain. After everything had fully dried overnight, we glued the plywood to the frame, used tape to hold it in place, and flipped the project over so that we could stack weight on it as it dried. Finally, we attached the chalkboard to the wall and seasoned the board with a coat of chalk dust.
For more details on this project, check out the video description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!